So if you're like me, you probably have a YouTube channel and you want to vlog. Now vlogging is a great thing and it's a lot of fun to do. In fact, if you go over here, or here, you can check out a playlist I have of my recent vlogs. But you might be wondering, how do you get started vlogging? So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different tips on how you can get started vlogging right now, today. One of the things about vlogging is that it can feel very stressful if you feel this urge to have to record every single moment of your life. So don't feel the need to actually record every single moment of your life, just record the most important parts and make sure they kind of piece together and tell a cohesive story. Tip number 2 is to take landscape shots when you are shooting your vlogs. Landscape shots are great because they enable you to basically take a sense of the place you're in, and they also work really well if you happen to have problems with your video. You can always layer them over and add some B-roll to your existing footage. Tip number 3 is to take walking shots whenever you are shooting your vlogs. Walking shots basically are shots where you basically hold your camera and point it towards your feet, and then you basically record yourself walking around. These shots are very similar to landscape shots in that they can be very useful, not only to be used as B-roll footage, but they're also very useful as a sort of nice little filler when you don't have enough footage. Tip number 4 is always remember to tell stories whenever you are vlogging. The most important part of making a good vlog is making sure that there is a cohesive narrative and a cohesive story. So one of the great things you can do is when you are vlogging, make sure to add a story that kind of explains where you are, what you're doing, or gives additional value to the viewer. And my 5th and final tip is make sure that when you're vlogging, try and aim for short clips, around like 10 to 15 seconds long. The beauty of shooting short clips is that you don't have to worry about people looking at you or kind of making a big scene when you're out and about vlogging. Shooting short clips is also very useful if you are trying to create a YouTube video and you have a little bit of trouble getting started. It's very easy to just shoot a short clip here and then a short clip here and then eventually just string them all up. So those are my 5 top tips for getting started vlogging, and I hope that they help you out, and I can't wait to see your vlogs. If you like this video, leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another one of my videos. Oh, and before I forget, I have taken these 5 tips and I put them in a free little cheat sheet that you can check out. The link is down below in the description, so be sure to grab it before you leave. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and have an awesome rest of your day.